Welcome to the channel and welcome to my California garden. I garden on the central coast of California, and this is my backyard garden. In my garden I grow a variety of annuals and perennials, succulents, cactus. I just mix everything up and it really marries really well together, and it's really exciting to see all the different kinds of plants come together and make a beautiful display for us. If you're an avid gardener, then you know, like me, you go out to the garden in the morning, and one of the most exciting things is to see a new bloom. And boy, did I get a show today. The poppies started blooming, and they're absolutely gorgeous. They're blooming all around the garden, and this is the California state flower. And it's really a beautiful, beautiful flower. Gorgeous. It opens up when the light comes out. So if you walk out in the early morning, it'll be all closed up. But then as soon as the bright light hits it, they just open up and they're absolutely beautiful. They just work so well with other plants. They're drought resistant. And again, they're a California native, so great to have in your garden. And easy, easy maintenance. Really, you just deadheading, they'll keep blooming. They're the perfect plant to have in your garden to give a bright orange pop of color. I'm able to sow the seeds for poppies anytime during the year, and when it's their time, they'll germinate and they'll start growing and growing, and one day you'll walk out, the blooms will open up, and you're just going to be amazed at that pop of color. They're poppies, and the pollinators absolutely adore them. The bees are on them all the time. And what better flowers to provide for them than California natives? These California poppies are wonderful because you really don't have to keep buying seeds. Once the bloom is done, the pods will dry up and they will spring open and release seeds all around where they're growing. And so next year you'll get more blooms, more poppies, and every year after. So sow them once and you'll keep getting poppies in your garden for years and years to come. Now I'll let you enjoy the poppies and take a look at the garden and all the places where the poppies have sprung up, and enjoy. And now, just to see who's really paying attention, I'm sneaking in some baby blue eyes. So those of you who watch to the end, type in baby blue eyes.